this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Arzopa portable monitor to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Arzopa portable monitor is primarily used in conjunctions with PCs, laptops, and mobile devices, but it absolutely works with any console of your choice, so both old-gen and new-gen Xbox consoles. I'm going to show the Xbox Series S as an example, but you can follow along with an Xbox One or an Xbox Series X. First, grab the HDMI to mini HDMI cable. The standard sized HDMI end will go into your Xbox console, and the mini HDMI end will go into the Arzopa monitor. So above the USB-C connections, you will find this port labeled as HDMI. This is where you will plug that end of the cable. So plug the mini HDMI end of the cable into the Arzopa monitor. The other end will go into an HDMI port available on your Xbox console. Again, I'm showing you the Xbox Series S as an example, but all Xbox consoles will have clearly labeled out HDMI ports, and once the connection is established, the image still won't appear. To make the image appear on the monitor, you need to provide it with power. So alongside the HDMI connection, in order to provide it with power, you need to use the USB-C to USB-A cable. The USB-C end goes into the Arzopa monitor, so plug it into either of these ports, it doesn't matter which, and the USB-A end will go into a power bank, a power brick, anything you have to provide it with the suitable amount of power. So plug it into an external power supply. Once the monitor is receiving power and it is plugged into the HDMI port of the Xbox console, then you will be good to go. It is going to power on and render the image from the console. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.